It's us. Guys, say your names. Say your names.
No.
Okay. Well, today we are cutting open this ball because we have no idea what's inside of it.
My turn.
It's fun.
We found it on the beach.
Yeah. We have a lot more beach stories. It's me, Lindsay. I'm the camera person.
Wait.
Do you guys see?
Wait. Take off the fabric.
What?
It's like a giant Orby.
Oh my god.
Put it in that so we can each have a piece.
Wait, there might be something inside of it.
Oh. Wait. Let me just show the camera people. It looks like a soccer ball.
Oh,
there's...
Can I cut it?
It's just gel.
Oh,
We can
now we have a Pac-Man.
Here, let me do it.
No! Oh no, we can actually each take a half home.
It's sticky.
Yeah, this is our sleepover guest. So.
What would happen if I just threw it into this?
No!
Okay, let's go back inside.
Okay.
Pause it, Lenny.
Okay.
Mom, or no.
We're back on unpause. Hello, we're back. And these are our new pets. No, tell them their names. Or
This one is Marie, and
The fish.
we let her go because we weren't gonna take her home. But then a big fish attacked her, and you can see right there she got like cut.
wait, let me just. Marie, where are you? Marie. Okay, well she got cut. And
And
then
then we have Natokyo.
where's my Tokyo? Wait, where's?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's just a little minnow that I caught with my hand.
say minion.
No, come back. She doesn't want to be.
Oh yeah, and let's tell them about the other fish. We had 3 other fish. We let 2 of them go.
Yeah, but the other one flopped out of the container.
Yeah,
We
Tom.
couldn't find it.
Yeah, Tom. We looked around the picnic table that we were at to see if he was dead there on the ground, but he wasn't.
We're also gonna fix this.
So yeah, that happened.
Okay, so
And
we're
now-
gonna move everything.
Now we're doing the actual
Move our
thing.
fish.
Now we're doing the actual thing we wanted to do in the video, right?
We're doing the blindfolded slime challenge.
Mhm.
Okay, move everything over here.
Lindsay, move that stuff
Okay, where?
on the table. No, I'll do it.
Because I'm the
This stuff
camera.
we're just gonna fix. I'm gonna fix this one, so I'm gonna put this here.
I'm gonna hold this. This
What
is.
are you doing?
I don't know. This is really cool, guys.
Puzzle.
It's really cool. 2, 1. Okay, guys, putting on their blindfolds. And what do I have to do again?
Wait, Lenny, you have to mix up our stuff.
Okay.
Or are
It's
they
not ours. Like mix
like
it all.
our liquids?
Okay.
Don't
like-
spill it.
1 second, let
We
me
move them around like this.
Okay.
Can we start adding? Can we start adding our?
Wait, no.
Yeah.
Wait. I didn't mix them yet.
Yeah, but we're still adding our glue.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Okay, here we go.
No, wait.
Did you start now, Rick?
Yeah.
I hope mine's inside. Yeah, you can go.
Put mine's in the bowl. By the way, my glue is glow in the dark.
And hers, Crackle Girl, hers is,
Oh, definitely is inside the bowl.
Okay, there we go. They're mixed.
Did you mix up the liquids?
Yes. Unless you didn't want me to.
I need to rinse. I need to put mine under my. I need to get all the glue up. By
Yeah,
rinsing it
but
under
you wanna know
water.
what we can do?
We go over to the sink.
Not yet. We can just tip them upside down, and then once we make the actual slime, we can make another mini slime.
Are you guys gonna dye it, like with food coloring?
No. So this is all I can get out right now. So you know, look, can you put this upside down? Like, can I take my blindfold off real quick? Okay, that's good. Okay, back.
McKenna!
Okay.
One's hot, one's cold. I'm gonna add my water.
Water.
Oh, I added a lot.
Spatula.
Is it okay? Is it okay if I tell you guys that's the one you just used?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you could add in water or the other one twice.
Water or borax?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like mine's gonna be bad. If mine doesn't come together, I'm adding more glue. Because I know I added a lot of water to mine. I'm gonna add my activator now. And after this, we're gonna fix the sticky stuff.
I added my borax.
Yeah.
I think it was borax.
I can feel which one's borax because it's
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot.
Circle Girl, are you gonna watch this when you get home or something? Or are you gonna watch it sometime? See your face.
Where'd my borax go?
Ooh, this is good.
Oh.
Ow, that's hot.
At the end, I'm going to reveal where I switched them.
This is really sticky still. Lindsay, can you add some borax because I can't touch my cup?
I can.
Can you just add some
Nope,
of
that's
yours?
Nats. That's Nats.
Natalie, just add some of yours. Borax. to
No,
mine.
I found yours.
Nope, that's not hers. But okay.
Is it hot?
Did I get in the
A
bowl?
lot, yeah, a little bit more.
I don't know where the bowl is.
It's in the bowl, just keep going.
No!
Oh, what did I do?
You dumped it on the counter.
Mine's so sticky. Okay, stop. Whose is prettier?
Let me see. Vote this down in the comments, guys.
Oh, that's sticky.
Mine's
Dreckle,
like one of those ones that we really had to add.
is it okay if I reveal your name, Dreckle Girl?
Yes, I don't care.
My Kenna's,
Okay.
it's
It's okay
sparkly
if I get
slime.
glitter all over the cup.
Sure.
Too bad.
Or Natalie's glow-in-the-dark blue slime.
Oh, I added a lot of activator. I added like half the cup.
Did I even get that in the bowl?
No,
Oh no.
I'm just kidding.
When we think we're done, we take off our blindfolds. My arms hurt.
The slime nerd. Don't get on my technology.
My glue isn't coming to place. Can you move my bowl? Move
Me?
my bowl.
Me?
Yes.
How do you want me to move it?
So I can play with this on the counter. Wait. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I'll just move it down right.
Just so I can then bring it back when I'm done because I need the rest of the thing out.
I need to dump the activator out.
You want me to jump
Just
it
put
in
your
the sink?
slime on the container. Put your slime on the counter. That's what I did. I didn't dump it though. I just sat it down.
I know, but there's more slime in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of it when I'm done eating this. I'm gonna need to soak mine in some water because it's not stretchy. Mine needs way more water because it's not stretchy. Mine's just really jiggly.
It's time to play the dramatic music. No chance.
Where'd my slime go?
She lost.
Take this.
Okay. Got it. I just set the camera down for
I
a
feel like this is the last little bit of my slime out of the bowl.
The ball can be super sticky.
How's mine looking? Is it pretty?
Yes, very. Alright, guys, comments. At the end, we're probably gonna turn off the lights for her slime.
I probably need.
Or I could do that now.
I need to add more water to mine because like mine's.
Honey, don't turn off the lights yet.
Okay.
Do it to make it harder for us.
Yeah, what's he gonna do? Because our eyes are closed.
It will make it harder though, because like even though our eyes are closed, it will be extra. Turn off all the lights. Oh god, I
Oh
can't
god, it just got pitch black in
see.
here.
Oh, yours is going, Nat.
Wait. Let me just get this on
Oh,
camera.
mine's getting softer because I added water to it.
Where is it? Guys,
This is mine.
and they can't see anything.
Honey, I'm holding it up.
No, but they just can't see. Oh,
I need to add more water.
wait. Oh, wait, never mind. That's the oven.
Can I feel yours?
Yeah, wait.
I'm gonna turn on
Is
the
there
lights.
slime on your hands?
Let me just see.
Wait, I'm meeting mine.
No, that's
I'm
not the light
meeting
I
mine on
want.
the counter right now.
Oh, yes, there we go.
Ew.
Well, I had to add water to it.
Wait, Nat, wait. I was filming your slime. See, it's glowing, guys. It's glowing. I'm gonna turn back on the lights.
Can I have my bowl now? Can I take my blindfold off? I'm done. Can I take it off?
Yeah. I'm done. Can I take mine off?
Yeah.
Ooh, mine's pretty. Look how pretty it is.
Oh, mine's majestic.
Now we get to fix our old slime. The old slime. Can I see my bowl?
I left them the same as they were.
When you weren't filming.
Yes, I am.
You're filming the counter.
We still need to activate our water for the ones we need to fix.
I know, but like when you said to switch them around, I just left them in the same place. So that
Wait, I need to jump
like-
off.
like I switched them a few times, but I made sure to put them back into their real place, you know? So that you guys would be like, oh, she definitely switched them. Yeah, hers is so majestic.
It's hard and weird.
No, it's because there's water in this bowl. I need to.
Okay, I'm gonna charge mine up and then we can turn on the lights. Do you want my bowl?
You can charge it off. Yeah.
Light 'em up.
Okay. Well, you can charge. Like you can literally just set the light on there while you're fixing your slime.
Okay.
Should do a slime collection video.
Yeah, if you do want to.
Look how jiggly it is.
Jiggly butt. Don't open that drawer
Oh my
thingy.
gosh.
It is full with slime. Do that
I'm
and
gonna
We should like do a slime video like when we have
which slime would you vote for? Natalie's glow in the dark slime?
It's not done yet, Lynn.
I know, I'm just saying. Or my Kenna's sparkly slime.
It's like a slime. I'm gonna put mine back in this bowl and I'm gonna start fixing my slime.
It smells so weird. So weird what was in the bowl. And I'm just gonna tell that to my friend.
Okay, are you ready?
For-
Time to fix this sticky slime. I'm gonna dump
I
it
didn't
out.
know you guys were doing this in the video.
Yeah, we're gonna fix a couple sticky slime.
In the video?
Just a couple of them.
I'm gonna show them how to do it. Seriously.
Like, look how sticky this is. It's
Oh,
literally
this one's
liquid.
even more sticky.
Liquid with clay. Look at Natalie's. It's literally liquid. Like, we need a lot of activator for this.
My spatula is clean.
I'm not even using my spatula because mine's not as sticky as yours is. This is
It's like
really
a
gross feeling. It's like a gross consistency.
Oh no.
Did you make this?
Yeah.
It feels like silly putty.
No offense to
Cornstarch
silly
in
putty.
it.
Silly putty's really fun though. Like it won't stick to you. Like
This activator?
Well, that was hard to fix.
Look,
how-
activator or water?
No, that's water. Our activator's in the Lego cups.
yeah, the Lego people.
Look how pretty it is.
There's my Kenna's yellow slime that she's fixing, or is
I'm
it
gonna go.
fixed? And then Natalie's.
I'm gonna go
light
bring out a
pink
couple of slimes that we fixed, okay?
Ruler! Now we focus on you, Natalie. Natalie. Story time.
This is a glossy slime.
Yeah, glass. This scene won't play. I won't sign a man more. You do when lips That's a movie. That's a song from Hercules. It's a really good movie. Go and watch it now. If you have the DVD, watch it. If you don't have the DVD and you don't have it recorded, then watch. Look for it. Look for it on TV. Hercules.
What?
Hercules. I don't know.
No.
You are not deactivating all those slimes. Yes, but not all of them.
You said deactivating.
Yeah, so
I mean,
I like this.
can I just end the video here?
yeah, me and other people do this by ourselves.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Well, guys, bye. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment down below whose slime you thought was better. Natalie's glow in the dark slime, or my Kenna's what's it called? McKenna's sparkly slime.
Jiggly slime.
And comment down below if you like our new pets, and also comment down below if you guys do not like those big fish that hurt Maria. And
Marie.
whatever.
I feel like you said Maria.
She did say Marie.
No, I
Sound
said
like
Maria.
Mario.
And Mario.
I
And
need some of that.
make sure that let's try and get this video to 10 likes.
10?
Yeah.
I think you're underestimated.
So 10. Bye guys.